Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demonstrate right here on Mitrade. And the first thing that you're going to do is you need to create an account by yourself. So what we're going to do is go to the website right here, mitrade.eu or .com, and then we go right here to the second slide. There we are. And then we click here on try free demo, and then he will send us right here to this page. I already created an account, so that is why I don't get the notification where you need to sign up. Because when you're here for the first time, you will receive a notification where you need to fill in your email address and after that create a password. And once you did that, he will send you right here to this page. If you don't have any idea how to do that and you want to see that, I created also a video called how to create a demo account on Mitrade, so check out that video. And then after that, we are here on the market list. If you want to trade and demo trade, we go to trade. And if you can see here in the top, you can see right here your balance. Now, I already created a trade and lost a little bit, but I'm also doing a demo trading, so I can't lose any money. And that is great to exercise your trading. So if we want to buy something, we go right here to search symbol and we search right here, for example, for Ethereum. And then we select right here Ethereum to US dollars. Then right now, what we are going to do is select right here, sell or buy, what you want to do. Select market, fill in right here for how many lots you want to buy. Or you can decide right here that you want to use a percentage of your balance. So let's do right now a 10% of our balance. And then after that, you can create right here a take profit by clicking on it, or a stop loss. If you want to do on risk management and calculate your risk, it's very important to do on take profit and stop losses. Then after that, yeah, you can also do a trading stop loss if you want to do that. But then after that, the only thing that we are going to do is click right here on buy. Then right now we created ourselves here a nice position on Ethereum, and we didn't do on a take profit order or stop loss because I'm just here to show you how to demonstrate. And if you want to close this option right here, we can close right here and do confirm. And now we close our position. This is in a nutshell what you need to know to demonstrate on Mitrade. Now you can play and do your own research and trade whatever you want. If you have more questions how to demonstrate, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.